Hey everyone, so I decided to make some tutorial on how to record vocals on Discord because I discovered that there is bot made for that, and it's good because I don't want to use OBS or Audacity to do that because it's not very simple to use. I mean, it's not that it's not simple, but it's not practical. You know what I mean? Like if you have something in Discord itself, it will be easier. So that's why I'm just showing you this bot. I found that on Google, like by some research, and I don't think it's very known. So I decided to make some tutorial about it. Maybe it could help anyone. All you need is to have Discord on your phone or computer, and internet, of course. So what you're going to do is to go on Craig.chat. I will give you the link in description in case, but it's short, so you don't really need it. Once you're here, you just invite Craig to your Discord server. You just allow him to join the server you want. Wait, yeah, you have to be the owner of the server where you want to add the bot, of course. So you select the one you want, you authorize, you confirm, then it's say that it's done. So yeah, you go on your server, which is Craig here, and the bot joined your server. So what you're going to do now is to go on Craig, to go back on Craig.chat, and below you will see that there is some documentation on how to use it. So it's very simple. Like you have like 2 or 4 commands to know. Um, you just have to, as I say, you just have to type Craig and then join to make it join any vocal. But if you want to specify which vocal he has to join, you have to type Craig join and then the call you want him to join. So for example, I'm just going to use it there because there is only general here. So I'm just going to type Craig and join. And then you see he's in the call. And I received some message from him. Okay, so it's saying that he's recording and it will end up in 6 hours. It's in case you probably forget to make it leave the call. So what you have to do is to click on the download link, of course. Then you're here. You just select this one. I mean, I think you can. You just select which file you want, like which type of file you decide to download with. I personally use WAV. Then you say okay, okay, and auto. It's going to download itself. Just leave it, do it alone. And there you go. Like you just have to click and then you choose your file, you choose your folder. For example, I'm going to do it on desktop. Then I just download. Here you go, and then you have your file with the call. Okay, so it's very simple to use. I will just show you that there is some documentation about it more than this. Just go on the documentation and read it. There are multiple languages in case you don't understand English. Um, Also, there is some extra documentation. Where is it again? Where is it? Oh, I think it's there. Yeah. Which there's some command that I like is how to change the prefix because it's not very simple to type Craig all the time. So I prefer to do this. Like you just change the prefix. So you do that. For example, it will just change the prefix to use it. So here you go. And now you just do you just have to do join, for example, leave, because when you type leave, Discord bot is just leaving the call, okay? Um, but now that we changed the prefix, we just have to type this accent and then this one, and then you have to type like join or leave or whatever. It's working like that. I think it's way easier than just type the first one. So that's how I use it, but you can do whatever you want. Also, if you want someone in the, because there it's working because I'm the owner of the server. But like if you want someone else in the server, if you want to allow people in the server to use the bot, you have to give them a special role. So for that, you just go there in your server settings. You go in, where is it again? Roles, and you just create. Okay, you just create. Wait. Is it created alone? Okay. Apparently, it's already there. So all you need to do is to add, for example, to a member. I will add it to myself, even if it's useless because I'm already owner. And you just it's not working apparently. So we will create it. Up. You go back there and you create rule. Craig, simple. Give it the color you want. Doesn't matter. And once you're here, you just give your new role. And then this person, the new member, will be allowed to type the commands and to control the bot. Okay? So I basically talked about everything. Once again, you should go to the documentation if you want to discover new things and stuff like that. Also, what could be useful is to type help because, well, I mean, it's just redirecting you to the site. So yeah, that's very useful. So yeah, I hope I help anyone. Um, so yeah, see you.